So this is the finished product, guys. And as you can see, kung ano lang, kamo na lay mag-judge kung naabay difference. Of course, akong lipstick, sino kayo, guys, and I will use this opportunity, guys, to humbly ask you to subscribe my YouTube channel, please. Bisag kuan good, bisan good ka ng batik kay content, guys. Wala pa ko'y content kataro. I really need 1,000 subscribers. It's requirements ni YouTube, and 10 million watch hours. So, and for now, naapa ko'y 5K. Saan man na ako, guys. So, I really need your help, guys. Please help me reach those requirements ni YouTube, guys. Kuan, even if kuan lang, your just your kuan subscribe, just click the kuan subscribe button, guys. It's a big help already, guys, and I would be so grateful for you if you will subscribe me. Unta! Sige na, guys, i-subscribe na ko ninyo, please. Pretty please. Dayon, if naamoy kuan, guys, if you have any suggestions nga i-content na ko, I will try. Just comment it down below, guys. Maybe that will be the start of my kuan kanang mga content. If naamoy mga suggestions na gusto ninyong ipabuhat sa kuha, ayun lang po ng kuan, guys, kinang mga worst nga kuan scenario, guys, ha. Bantay lang mo. So, maara to. Bye-bye. Love you.